Hello and welcome to REGO-FIX Tech Chat. My name is David McHenry. I'm the Engineering and Technical Manager here at REGO-FIX USA. In most shops you have larger equipment that you need to move around, like maybe RPG single, and you want to move it from machine to machine and keep the accessories that go with it close by. Well, we have a new option for you and it helps you keep yourself organized. It's our mobile workbench. So let's take a look. The mobile workbench has a convenient 750 by 700 millimeter wood top. So it's a nice large working space with a nice hardwood surface to work off of. In this case, I have our PGU 9800 sitting on top of that, and you can see I have lots of working space. The unit has 3 different drawers allowing you to organize your tools that we'll look in just a moment. It has very large roller wheels with locks, which allows you to put it in place, lock it in position. You don't have to worry about it going anywhere. This makes it very easy to move, say, your powRgrip machines or other larger equipment that you have in your shop very easily. Now, when it comes to the 3 drawers for storage, the unit does come with a built-in foam insert already available with the machine to accept your powRgrip inserts, cleaning tools, and view presetting options. Makes it very easy to stay organized, and all your cleaning materials are right here with your machine. In the second drawer, in this case, I just put a few collet trays in there so you can see you can store your collets, keep them nice and safe using your REGO-FIX foam insert trays, which are oil resistant, makes it nice and easy to use. In the bottom drawer, well, you also have to take care of your machining center. So in this case, I put my measuring tools. I have my force master, my master gauge, and my magnetic base indicator. So it's very easy for me to not only take care of my powRgrip machine from my workbench, but also my CNC machining center. Now that we've talked about the mobile workbench, don't forget that we have multiple videos on our REGO-FIX Tech Chat for how to clean tools, how to store them properly, and how to maintain them. That all go right along with our mobile workbench. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to your REGO-FIX technical team. We are here to help.